What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Caradno, because with the last dump we just took liquidity under all of these previous important lows. With this previous candle we took liquidity also under this bullish order block. So if you are interested, if for example the current level is in my opinion a great long opportunity, and for example what is the exact long position that I'm planning to take, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a weekly time frame. Here you can see we just took liquidity with this weekly candle under all of these previous important lows. So here, right now, if the current weekly candle will close above the level 0.5413, so above these previous candles, then this can be, in my opinion, a great long entry. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this previous low, and last take profit target you want to place under this high. So you are speculating for like 87.6% of a net market, potential stop loss is around 9.7% of a net market, risk reward ratio up to 9. This is, in my opinion, really great potential setup that you can take here. On the other hand, if this won't happen and we will close under, then we can have here a bearish confirmation, which means price can go down. So simply don't want to open this long position, and this setup will be then invalid. But if there will be the support confirmation and you will open here at long position, you also want to take your multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take around this area, so around the level 0.61, then for example around this area of increased liquidity, something around this previous important highs, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio 9, the risk reward ratio, if we are gonna hit all of take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 6, something like that, which is in my opinion really great potential setup. Another trade that you can say here will be valid in case of that resistance confirmation and retest of this bullish order block. This can be simply just a limit order, because if there will be another dump in the crypto market and we are gonna retest this area, then you can place your stop loss just under this bullish order block, and we will be above with that limit order, and last take profit target you can place on the exact same level. So the potential profit will be around 170% of a net market, stop loss around 17% of a net market, risk reward ratio again up to 10. So if you will take the same take profit targets and also some of the profits you will take under these previous important lows, your trade is gonna have again risk reward ratio 6.5, 6.8, something like that, which is another really great potential setup that you can take on a weekly time frame. So yeah, on this chart, this can be the main two setups that I'm currently watching, and me personally, I think that in the upcoming bull market we are gonna hit like something around $2 mark, something like that. So from a current level there still can be a potential pump around like almost 300% of a net market, but keep in mind that if there will be that resistance confirmation of this area, this can be super bad for Caradno, because we are gonna get under that important resistance, and the next buying area is this bullish order block. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. If you want to take here some long position on a daily time frame, then again you can see we just have here these previous important lows and we just took liquidity under. So with a support confirmation like in this area, you can open here a long position on a daily time frame as well. On this chart, we are having another different setup. If you, for example, don't want to just buy a support confirmation of this area and you want to wait here for a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, this can be another good long entry. So entry will be above in case of a breakout and then support confirmation. Stop loss you want to place just under, because if after a breakout and then a support confirmation there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And last take profit target you can place just above this bearish order block area. So for a trade like this, you want to take like 3-4 take profit targets. Some of the profits you want to, for example, take under these previous important lows, then under this bearish order block, which is by the way between level 0.849 and 0.966, something in this bearish order block, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio 6.8, you will get risk reward ratio like 4.2, something like that, which is actually another great setup that you can take. So if you are interested about some different trading setup than I showed you on a weekly time frame, this is probably the best you can have here. On the other hand, if you are thinking if it's like a good opportunity to open a long position right now because we just took here this important liquidity, in my opinion, actually not, because, for example, also Bitcoin is facing important support. If there will be a breakdown, we are probably gonna retest like this lower bullish order block. So like this setup that I was talking about on a weekly time frame, a retest of this bullish order block will be probably valid then. But if you like aware of that risk and you want to open a long position right now, you need to place your stop loss just under this previous low, and for example last take profit target above this bearish order block. So if the stop loss will be hit, we will probably get on like lower levels. On the other hand, if we will hit last take profit target, this is absolutely insane risk reward ratio like 5, and in case of that breakout and support confirmation, you can take the previous long position. So if you want to trade this more risky, this is also a setup that you can take. And the last chart that I will show you in today's video is total 2 chart, because here we just with this weekly candle, this was the biggest dump, we took liquidity in this bearish order block, and right now we are about to retest it. And in my opinion, if we are gonna retest this area, this also will be kinda same with that important bullish order block on Caradno on a weekly time frame. So if we are gonna retest it, again, this is another reason why that limit long position that I showed you previously can be a good idea. And if total 2 chart, which is altcoin market cap, will get into this area, I will consider opening a larger amount of trading positions on multiple altcoins. So hey guys, this is my current strategy. If you want to be part of my trading community, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. Right now, I am still trying to be kinda careful. I don't want to open larger amount of a trading position, because with the whole market, we are in the kinda critical situation. But I think in the upcoming days, we will have much more info. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.